Guys, Andy here, April 22nd. Got rained out of work today. Decided to hit a creek or two, and I've got rained on the whole time I've been in this creek, and I just walked up on a point and it quit raining just long enough for me to get this camera out and film it. So I'm grateful for that. But right there it is. I've not touched it yet. It looks awesome. Let's be down here and see what we got. That thing is pretty. The reds and pinks in that. I'll take it. And I'll keep going. Hopefully I can get back with you guys. Thanks for watching.